I am Putri Pridayani. I will make an English practice exam video about how to manage monthly allowance. Next, how to manage monthly allowance. Definition of monthly allowance. Monthly allowance is an amount of money given by a company or institution to employees regularly every month, which aims to help meet their living needs. Next, examples of allowance. Example of allowance: meal allowance, transportation, and health or other benefits. And next, why is managing monthly allowance important? First, help create better financial management. Second, ensure the use of benefits that are right on target to achieve financial goals. Next, step 2, determine financial goals. Setting financial goals. Short term, for example, paying off debt, or long term, such as saving retirement or buying a house goals. Example of goals: save for an emergency fund, paying debit or credit, invest for the future. Benefits: help focus in managing benefits to suit goals. Next, step 2, create a budget for the use of allowances. Step 2, create a budget for the use of allowance. Example of allowance use allocation. Category: daily needs 50%, saving and investment 20%, transportation and others 15%, health and insurance 15%. And next, step 2, separate allowance for most important expenses. Prioritize main needs. First, use the allowance for urgent and important needs, such as food, transportation, and health costs. Second, allocate some for less frequent needs, such as insurance or education costs. And tips: make sure expense for daily needs do not exceed the budget that has been made. Okay, next. Step 2, use financial application. Managing allowance with financial application. First, take advanced text of apps like Mint, Spend, or Tala to track expense and monitor your budget. Second, this app will help visual where your benefits go and identify areas or spending that can be reduced. Profit. First, makes it easier to monitor expense. Second, help make smarter decision in benefits management. And next, set aside step for investment and savings. Saving for the future. First, set aside some or your allowance for emergency, saving or retirement funds. Second, investing for the future. Consider investing in mutual funds, stock, or other investment instruments that can generate profits in the future. Example, if you receive a monthly allowance of EDR, set aside 20% for saving or investment. And next, Evaluation and adjustment step. Evaluate expenditures every month. First, review allowance use every month to ensure expenses are within budget. Second, if there are changes in need or expenses, make budget adjustment. Tips: make adjustment when income or need change, such as an increase in the cost of living. And next, conclusion. First, importance of planning. Managing your monthly allowance wisely requires careful planning. Second, financial goals. Determine clear financial goals to prioritize the use of benefits. Third, evaluate and adjust. Always evaluate expense and make adjustment to achieve financial goals. And next, thank you. That's all from me. Thank you. Bye bye.